12 Best Foods for Gaining Muscle and Strength. Hello and welcome to our channel. And on this video, we will tell you the 12 best foods for gaining muscle and strength. Whether you're a seasoned weightlifter or new to the gym, eating the right foods is crucial for gaining muscle as it provides essential nutrients, such as protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, which fuel muscle growth and repair damaged tissue and support overall strength development. To effectively gain muscle while consuming the right foods, incorporating a well-rounded resistance training program that combines compound exercises is key with adequate amounts of rest, is essential for stimulating muscle fibers while promoting hypertrophy and maximizing strength gains. During strength training, your muscles undergo micro-tears and experience increased metabolic activity as they work against resistance. Consuming the right foods during the recovery process, such as protein-rich sources, your muscles will receive the necessary building blocks to repair and rebuild, leading to muscle growth, enhanced strength, and optimized recovery for subsequent training sessions. The amount of recovery time needed after a workout varies depending on several factors, including the intensity and duration of the workout, individual fitness levels, and overall health. Generally, it is recommended to allow at least 24 to 48 hours of rest between workouts, targeting the same muscle groups to allow for proper recovery and muscle adaptation. However, it's important to listen to your body's signals and adjust the recovery time accordingly, as some individuals may require more or less time for adequate recovery. The takeaway here is that resting your body is also just as important as exercise and eating the right foods. Eating a healthy diet is crucial for better overall health as it provides the necessary nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that support bodily functions, boost immunity, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, enhance energy levels, promote mental well-being, and contribute to maintaining a healthy weight. The bottom line, eating the right foods is key to gaining muscle and strength. Hey guys, before we get started, remember to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you can continue to get more amazing videos. 12 best foods for gaining muscle and strength. So now, let's get started. First on our list is chicken, an all-time favorite among many people. It can be enjoyed in many different ways. Chicken is a lean protein that's packed with vitamin B12 and 6. Eating chicken is highly advantageous for muscle gain when working out due to its high protein content, which provides essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth, as well as supporting post-workout recovery. Chicken also provides essential minerals like selenium and zinc to promote muscle building and a strong, healthy body. Chicken is also low in carbs and fat. A 3-ounce portion of chicken provides around 26 grams of protein. Next up is salmon. It's an amazing choice for muscle building and for peak performance and health. Including salmon in your diet for muscle gain offers major benefits as it is an excellent source of high-quality protein and is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduces inflammation, aids in muscle recovery, and supports overall muscle growth and strength development. A 3.5 ounce of cooked salmon has an incredible 20 grams of protein. Try some today. Next is almonds. Almonds are our third pick. They are very high in protein and essential amino acids. Almonds are so perfect for building your muscles and is an excellent source of healthy fats and are very rich in vitamin E and B vitamins, which are vital for repairing muscle tissue and supporting brain function. Almonds also provides antioxidants for overall well-being. Make sure to grab a handful today. Coming in fourth is Greek yogurt. It's delicious. Consuming Greek yogurt is beneficial for muscle building due to its high protein content, which helps in repairing and building muscle tissue, supporting post-workout recovery. Greek yogurt promotes lean muscle growth and is also loaded with gut-healthy probiotics and is full of beneficial calcium to help build and maintain strong bones. A 32-ounce container has 17 grams of muscle-building proteins. Next up is eggs. Eggs are a versatile and affordable protein source. It provides one of the best quality proteins and healthy fats you can find, providing all 9 essential amino acids and beneficial vitamins necessary for muscle building. One egg has 6 grams of protein, the recommended daily intake of eggs varies, but generally it is safe and healthy to consume up to 1 to 3 eggs per day as part of a balanced diet, considering individual dietary needs and overall cholesterol levels. Next is sweet potatoes. It's our 6th choice, and they are great for you. Sweet potatoes offer complex carbohydrates that fuel your workouts and have a host of vitamins and minerals, including powerful antioxidants. In addition, they are rich in beta-carotene, which supports your immune system, and sweet potatoes also are high in fiber, which aids in digestion. 7th on our list is oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great choice. It is a highly beneficial food for muscle building and an essential component of a healthy diet, as it is rich in complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy for intense workouts. Additionally, oatmeal contains a notable amount of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut, providing optimal nutrient absorption for muscle growth and recovery. Beans, oh boy, is our 8th pick. Beans provide a bevy of plant-based proteins and fiber, which are key players in maintaining a healthy gut. There are several varieties like pinto, black, and kidney beans. These can be a great choice for part of a diet to help you gain muscle. These beans on average contain about 15 grams of protein per cup. 9th on our list is beef. It tastes really good and it's a protein powerhouse. Including beef in your diet can be highly advantageous for muscle gain due to its rich protein content, as well as essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, including creatine, which is crucial for muscle development, strength, and overall energy production. Beef supports a healthy immune system. Guys, eating lean beef can help increase your muscle mass and strength with weight training. Grab some beef today. Next is tuna. Our 10th choice, tuna offers a great lean protein source for your body that's also low in calories and high in important nutrients for muscle gains. Tuna contains omega-3 fatty acids and potassium, which is also great for a healthy heart and in addition helps lower your cholesterol levels. Amazingly, the average serving of tuna, typically around 3 ounces, contains approximately 22 grams of protein. 11th on our list is quinoa. It's a perfect post-workout meal. A grain that's unique in that it contains all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth that the body can't produce on its own. Furthermore, quinoa is rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and micronutrients like magnesium and phosphorus, which support production with optimal nutrient absorption and overall muscle recovery. A cup of cooked quinoa provides around 8 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber. Lastly, we have broccoli. Broccoli is great for muscle gains. It's a nutrient-dense vegetable that's high in fiber with many essential vitamins like vitamin C and K. In addition, it includes important minerals and protein that plays a key role in proper muscle function and can help with your muscle recovery process and quick growth, reduce inflammation, and provide the necessary fuel for workouts. A cup of cooked broccoli typically contains around 2.5 grams of protein. So there you have it, our top 12 best foods that can help give your muscles the fuel they need to grow. Which was your favorite? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.